Hello all. Here I am going to tell you one of the question from exponents and powers. Okay. In this question we need to find the value of n here. Okay. So let's see how we can apply the laws of exponents and we need to solve this. Okay. So here we are given that 2 raised to power n multiplied by 2 raised to power 6 divided by 2 raised to power minus 3 is equal to 2 raised to power 80. Here we have to find the value of n. Okay. Now in the first step what I am going to do is that here 2 raised to power minus 3 is divided. So I will take this to the right hand side. As it is divided here, when the side is changed it will be multiplied with 2 raised to power 18. So 2 raised to power n multiplied by 2 raised to power 6 is equal to 2 raised to power 18. 2 raised to power 18 multiplied by 2 raised to power minus 3. Okay. Now here in both the side, left hand side and in the right hand side, we can apply the laws of exponents of addition. So what is law of exponent of addition? Here according to laws of exponents of addition, when the bases are same, okay, like x raised to power m multiplied by x raised to power n. Here the bases are same. Here both are having x as the base and the operation of multiply or the operation of multiplication is applied and the powers are different. Okay. So according to laws of exponent of addition, when the bases are same but the powers are different and the laws of and the operation of multiplication is applied, then the powers get added. That is x raised to power m plus n. So this is the laws of exponent of addition. So we can apply here on both the side. So here the bases are same. Here it is 2 raised to power n multiplied by 2 raised to power 6. The powers are different. Here it is n and here it is 6. In the same way in the right hand side, the base both are having the base as 2 but the powers are different. Here it is 18 and here it is minus 3. So when the laws of exponent of addition is applied, the powers get added. So we will get 2 raised to power n plus 6, okay, on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we will get 2 raised to power 18 minus 3, and 18 minus 3 is your 15. Okay. Now since on the left hand side and on the right hand side both they are having the base as 2, so we will compare. In order to get the value of n, we will compare the powers of both the side. So here we are only going to compare the powers of the base on both the sides. So we are going to get n plus 6 is equal to, and 18 minus 3 is your 15. Okay. Now n plus 6, here it is plus 6, so when it will be side transferred it will become minus 6. Okay. When the side transformation takes place, the operation of addition changes to operation of subtraction and vice versa. Okay, is equal to 15 minus 6. Okay, so n is equal to the value of n we will be getting as 15 minus 6 as 9. So hope you understood the explanation. So thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.